into the main one somewhere. Right, and then I'll try and work through them in the order that people have given to me. The best thing with that is, have a good old look at it first, and then I'll get you on a rig somewhere along the line, as appropriate. Alright? Okay. Good, okay then. Right, let me just chuck that in the cupboard and then we'll carry on because thanks for your patience, by the way. Right then, so, where were we? Oh yeah. Okay, so let's sort that number 3. Did you get about 1.5 meg? LOM?
I got 0.00.
Did you really?
On both 3 and 4.
Did you really?
From neutral, yeah.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. Tell you what then, try it again in a moment. Just add number 3 on only.
Yeah.
See if you get on L to N a 1.5, okay?
Right.
Rather than 0. So what happened to number 4?
Exactly the same problem.
Yeah, because the actual issue here is that there's an open circuit in a strapper on a 2-way line.
That's fine. Check that's reading 900. Oh yes, it's.
So I threw one. No, let's go back. First meter, no, I finished on Wednesday. I don't deal with
Bridge.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I appreciate that on that particular make with like plastic caps where the screws access the screws.
And then part systems between
Yeah, that's it.
and then you could just not be working correctly.
Exactly, that's exactly right. Well, 1.21. Yeah, yeah, so see,
You're not working,
see,
this
yeah, yeah, that's good time.
Yeah. That doesn't need to go in at all. I've been around to it.
He's so
My top
all 3
priority
zeros.
would be.
So I don't know how we're going to get a 0 here. Oh, Zach, from us. Did you get all 3 0 readings on your?
That's what you should have got.
Yeah, but did you get a 0?
No. I didn't.
Yeah, nearly a week.
That's what
We got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was saying no, that should have been 000.
Yeah.
Definitely didn't.
Good.
Yeah.
That's it, yeah.